guys, welcome back to MAS Wrestling, and today we're going to be reviewing Team Xtreme, the Hardy Boys. So you can see from the front of the box as their logo, Jeff Hardy and Matt Hardy says their names. It comes with a total of 4 ladders, I believe. And if you see the back, it says Team Xtreme here and there, a few other places. And on the back it says, it tells the story of when they returned at WrestleMania 33 in 2017. And I'm not going to read it, but you could pause the video and read it. And it shows a picture of them holding the Raw Tag Team titles, which were not included with this. And now let's unbox. One ladder, Matt Hardy, another ladder, Jeff Hardy, and 2 more ladders. It comes with a total of 4 ladders. To be honest, I think one of the most cool things about this is the box and how it tells. And here's a picture, here's Jeff Hardy, close up. There's a back. It has a cool design on his arms. Comes with the tattoos there. And now Matt Hardy with a cool design on his pants. Incredible articulation, elite style figure. Move the legs around like that. And you can see, here's Matt Hardy's face. A great face scan for Matt, and you can compare. It looks a lot like him, except here his hair's all messed up. And and here are the 2 ladders. It comes with 2 big ladders like this, 2 little ladders like this. And thank you guys for watching, and now let's get to the all set up version. Full picture of the epic moments Hardy Boys action figures from their incredible return at WrestleMania 33 in 2017. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Complete version of the Hardy Boys Ultimate Edition. And here's the complete. This is MAS Wrestling. MAS Wrestling, and you've got to be kidding. Up on the ladder. Are you kidding me? Why?
It takes 5 hours.